We see the return of a very interesting and ultimately useful form factor in the tablet game with this, the Lenovo Yoga Tablet 2. That's right, the Yoga tablet returns now, and as you can see here, we're already playing with the kickstand. That is pretty much what defined the form factor, but now there's actually a different sort of feature of it, and there's a little hole on there that when you bring the kickstand down to become flat, you're actually able to hang this tablet from any particular apparatus so that you can use it in an even different way than before. Other than that though, the kickstand still performs about the same way that you remember it, being able to put it into a typing position when laying down or a standing position for viewing purposes. Underneath that kickstand is a small cover for the micro SD card slot, so you will be able to bolster the 16 gigabytes of storage that is found within. As far as construction goes, we do have a metal construction here that provides a very sturdy feel, but it is also quite sleek and thin, especially in the part opposite where the kickstand is. We're taking a look at the screen right now, which is an 8-inch Full HD, that's 1920 by 1200 IPS display, and underneath the surface there is the Intel Atom processor, the Z3745, that clocks in at 1.86 gigahertz, and then after that we have 2 gigabytes of onboard memory. What's nice is that there is also a 10-inch tablet available as well that has pretty much all of the same features as the 8-inch model, all the way down to the resolution in the screen at 1920 by 1200, the Intel Atom processor, and even the kickstand that will allow you to hang the device for hands-free operation. A 2-megapixel camera is found on the rear, one that you may or may not be using on this tablet experience, but nonetheless it is a nice addition to have. But ultimately what we're looking at here are 2 tablets in 2 different sizes made for you that have a very great form factor to it. This particular kickstand is really one of the most useful ones that we've seen thus far, and the fact that it is integrated into the tablet itself is just a nice feature that we liked before and we continue to like in this Yoga Tablet 2. There are going to be some accessories that are available for both of these versions, but the 10-inch tablet in particular is going to have an AccuType Bluetooth keyboard cover that will function not only as the cover for the actual tablet, but also as, of course, the keyboard, so that you'll have an integrated keyboard basically for that larger tablet. And with a claimed battery life of up to 18 hours on a single charge, we're pretty certain that this particular tablet is going to help you go the distance, whether it's for work or play. Though it is entirely up to you whether or not the hanging part of the usage in these tablets will ultimately be useful, we do like what we see with the Yoga Tablet 2 in both the versions, 8 and 10 inches, the fact that they bring back a form factor we really enjoyed and brought some extra power along with it, especially in that screen. So keep it tuned to Android Authority for our future coverage of both of these tablets, and remember that we are your source for all things Android.